There are so many DIYs out there that you can do with your family. So us here at Ready Set Viral are here to give you some easy family DIYs. Make sure to subscribe so that you never miss out on another video. Number 1. Donut soap. For this hack, all you need is some sprinkles, 2 different colored soap bars that are melted down. You can do so in a microwave, and of course, a circular mold. The first thing you want to do is sprinkle the sprinkles at the bottom. Then, cover it with firstly one color of soap, then the second, and wait for it to harden, and you can now use it every day. It helps if you use all of the same colors that we've used so it looks exactly like a donut. Number 2, plastic straw flowers. This hack is super easy if you want some flowers that will never die. All you need is some plastic straws. First off, have them in a jar and get a zip tie and wrap it around all of the straws. Tighten the zip tie so that they will all bunch up just like this. You can place a whole bunch of them into a jar and it looks like a small bouquet of flowers. How cute is this? Number 3, DIY garbage can basketball net. If your kids get bored or aren't really putting any garbage away, we have an idea for you. All you have to do is get a small square of cardboard and place orange tape around the border and a square in the middle. Then get a red Solo cup, slice off the bottom of the cup and hot glue it right here onto the board. Glue 2 clothespins right here on the back of the board, and now you can connect them to your garbage can. Number 4, a brand new carpet. This one is for the parents that really want to do something for their kids, or they just want to spice up their house. You'll need some material, some fluffy filling, some thread, and scissors. Sew the thread on the edges of a material and put filling in the bottom. Secure it so that it won't fall out and you'll have a really fluffy ball. Make sure to do this in all different shapes and sizes, and once you're done, sew them all together and you will make a colorful, fun rug. From now on, your kid will have entertainment in the bathroom and you'll have a little bit of a cute rug now. Number 5, DIY lantern. For this one, get a mason jar, just like so. We've used one that has a clamp to close on it, and get some stickers and place them inside. We've used a Tinkerbell sticker, some grass stickers, as well as some star stickers. Then get some white acrylic paint and blotch behind the stickers as much as you can. Finally, hot glue a battery-powered candle to the top of the mason jar, and once you close it with the candle turned on, it will be an amazing lantern. Number 6, family shirts. If you and your family have some crazy drawings that you want to put on some t-shirts, scan the drawings onto some transfer paper and then place them onto a shirt. Iron them on and you will be able to see your drawing perfectly on the white t-shirt. It's amazing. Number 7, DIY marble toy. First, get a square piece of cardboard and 2 other pieces of cardboard the same size, just with squares cut out in the middle. Then draw lines like so onto the bottom and cut out a circle in the middle and on each of the lines like this. Place marble glass balls into the middle and try to get all of them inside the holes. It's an amazing but really difficult game. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!